Hi, Deirdre here, and I'm just going to give you a quick overview of Pinterest. So I've logged into Pinterest, I'm on the Home tab here, so click on the Home button up the top. So we're going to start off by, for example, typing in killibegs and press Enter. So it's searched through all the images, and at the moment it's looking at individual pins or posts. It's a bit like a post or a photograph, and that's what we're looking at, and there's a huge number of these available. But if you want to look more specifically, for example, at people who use the term killibegs to be searched under, you can see there's only a few people who are very much killibegs, home heating oil, etc. But what's more interesting really is to click on boards. Okay, and you've got killibegs cottages, old photos of killibegs, hooked killibegs exhibition, and there's a number of different there's a number of different possibilities in here. You can also, if you've already created some pins, if you click on your pins, then anything you tagged as being killibegs will come up there. So the next thing we're going to take a look at doing is creating your own boards. So what we're going to do is let's get rid of this here. We'll click that there. Okay, and we're going to start looking for Dungeness Food. Okay, and I'm actually going to just take a look at some boards for that. And we've got food in Inishowen, Donegal up here. And I'm thinking, oh yeah, this is perfect. So I'd like to save this. So to save it, we click on the one down here, and to create a new board, we can click on the plus down here. And we're going to give this new board a name, which will be Dungeness Food. Okay, and we click on create. And any other, so I'm going to just hit the back button in here. And so, for example, the 61 pins in here. And people, so I could decide to put this one in here, and I'm going to put it into Dungeness Food, and this one here, I'm going to save it to Dungeness Food. Okay, and you can add different pieces to your board. So to go and see your boards, then you click on your own profile up the top, and you can see I've got my Dungeness Food board here. Okay, and these are the pins that are on this board. Okay, so if I want to add sections to this board, for example, if I wanted to make it sweet and savoury, I would click on the plus sign down here and click on section. Okay, and I'm typing sweet, add. To add another section, I click on the plus and click on section, and Savory, I think that's how you spell it, and add. Okay, so you can see the sweet and savoury sections don't have anything in it. If we wanted to edit this one here, and I think that they are probably savoury, so I would click in here. I could choose a section and put them into the savoury section and save. And this one here, I can edit it and put it into the sweet section and save. And this one here, again, I can edit it and put it into the savoury section and save. Okay, so that's the general idea with boards. You can have sections and you can post things to it. So let me go back up here and type in Dungeness Seafood. Okay, so this is a seafood chowder. So up here, I'm going to put it into Dungeness Food. Sorry, sorry, it should be fully seen. I have a strange screen setting. So that's we're going to save it into the savoury section. Okay, and you can just save it into the different bits and pieces. This one here as well. We're going to put it into Dungeness Food. And we're going to put it into the savoury section. Okay, to go and see that then, we click on our own one up here, and we go into Dungeness Food. And it's seeing 4 pins, so we go into there. It just probably needs to refresh, and you can see that these new items have been saved into the pins.